Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and giveaways, tons of giveaways. So I always do a monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, it is the Tetris Ipsy palette. I will put a link in the description box down below that talks about how to enter this one. I do have live also going on right now, my 100th video, in honor of my 100th video giveaway. I've got that one going on. I'll put a link for that in the description box down below. Also, coming up very shortly, I have my 200th subscriber video coming live, so be on the lookout for that. I've already started setting stuff aside for our 300th one, so help us get there. Did you guys know that Walmart has a beauty box? It has a little Walmart symbol here. So it's $5 a quarter, and it ships out quarterly, so you basically just pay for the shipping and then you get everything inside. Most of the time they're sample sizes. Every once in a while they'll throw in a full size. So let's dive into their summer box and find out what's here. They always send a makeup bag, so here's this one for their summer one. Oh, here's a product that I have tried before. It is the Hello Fluoride Free Whitening Toothpaste in charcoal. Yes, it is black. Yes, it takes a little bit to get used to, but I did have noticed a difference when I do use this. Hello is cruelty free, and a full size of this will run you $4.82. Ooh, here's a kind of interesting full-size product. It is the Salon Perfect Ready, Set, Go Brow Kit, custom blend 3 brow shades and 1 illuminating highlighter. So you've got a spoolie and a little brush on this end. You've got your 4 shades here, your pencil with a built-in sharpener, which I love when they do that. Here, a full size of this. So obviously this full size is $8.07. So I mean, you already paid for your shipping just with this one product. By Dove is the Refresh Plus Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. A full size of this will run you $4.88. I'm not big on taking ingestible things in beauty boxes, but here is the Purely Inspired Collagen Peptides. A full thing of this, which is a pound, is $19.97. Ooh, here's one I'll really like. It is the Purifying Black Charcoal Mask. I've got a charcoal mask series that I'm doing actually right now, so be on the lookout for this one. It is by Soleil, which is also a cruelty-free brand. This retails for $2.50. So be on the lookout for this one. Definitely try it in an upcoming masking video. So overall, I think it was a pretty good box. I mean, you got this really cool kind of brow set, a mask, you know. The other things were sample sizes. You get the grass-fed, pasture-raised, virtually blend with biotin, collagen peptides, the charcoal toothpaste, and the dry shampoo. Overall, it's pretty good. What were your favorite things? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me. When you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.